Show me what you're talking about.
I shut it.
Well, let's see if it works. So what was it, not heating?
No, it was on fire.
Well, that's hot.
Well,
Show me the hole you're talking about.
up in here somewhere. Somewhere in that plate. Chuck, Chuck's in the hole.
Nah, there's no hole in there.
Well, that's what Chuck said. And up until last night, there was fire coming out of it, little fire. There's no glass.
Well, I would try cooking something in there. Because it's a brand new one.
What's this?
It's a brand new one.
What did you do? Stevie, don't do that.
It's all your kids.
It's ever we all got.
Everybody got it for you for your Christmas present.
And I'm looking for the freaking hole. You shouldn't have done that.
I kept,
All your kids did that for you.
I kept these two things,
Yeah,
or these two racks and this,
yeah,
are in the box downstairs.
okay.
And there's a receipt in case something happens to it soon. But this door